Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's we'll try to test the Netflix HDR and the Amazon Prime HD support test in the OnePlus Nord 2 after the recent software update. Just a couple of days back, the OnePlus Nord 2 did receive the software update, as you can see friends. And after this update, I am getting plenty of messages regarding the two applications, which is Amazon Prime and the Netflix. So let's see. First, let's try with the Amazon Prime, whether the Amazon Prime we are able to play any kind of HD content or not. So that is what I'm going to exactly show you right now. So it's an Amazon Prime application, as you can see friends clearly. I'll let me play one of the movie. As you can see friends, with Amazon Prime we are getting the HD and 1080p working without any kind of issues in the OnePlus Nord 2. As you can see exactly friends, this is the OnePlus Nord 2, and after the recent software update, as you can see, there is no issues at all with the Amazon Prime HD support. So you can actually play the Amazon Prime without any kind of problems in this OnePlus Nord 2 device. Let's move to the next application, which is a Netflix. Let's see whether the Netflix is supported with the HDR content or not. So this is going to be a really interesting test to see demonstrate right now. Let me type in the search bar HDR, so I'll get all the HDR movies supported. And now let me select this movie, which is a 6 Underground. Let me show you exactly what it's displaying. As you can see right now, it's showing only HD content. That's it. There is no HDR coming for this movie at this point, as you can see friends. So where is other phones, this is how it looks, HDR. As you can see in other devices, same movie. Let me try to keep the same movie if possible. Yes, extraction. As you can see friends, you're getting HD in the OnePlus Nord 2, but in other phones you'll get the HDR in few phones. So, as you can see, so right now still HDR content, I think in the OnePlus Nord 2 at this moment I'm not getting in this OnePlus Nord 2 device HDR content in the Netflix. That's the one thing which I thought of just updating for a lot of other users who are actually waiting for this kind of review. And finally I was able to get hands on with this HDR Netflix account as well. That is the reason I thought of making a video right now. And thank you for watching this video friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. So meanwhile, signing off. Bye.